Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a walkthrough of the Dollar Tree. I'm excited to show you all the amazing items I found during the shopping trip. If you're looking to fill up your Easter baskets, Dollar Tree has a lot to choose from. Look at all the Easter themed items they have available. From bags, hairbands, bowls, glasses, stamps, bubbles, Easter bags, Easter sign, and eggs. And if you're looking for some Easter chocolates to add to your Easter basket, they have plenty of those too. Moving on, we have a section with toys that can be added to your Easter baskets. And if you're in need of some organization in your home, they have a variety of baskets to choose from. I found some Sterilite baskets made of strong plastic material, wire trash bins, and some elegant looking wired baskets in gold, white, and black. These sticky wall tiles caught my attention. I have these in the white subway tiles in my home and they have been holding up well. I've had them for about a year. They also have plenty of sticker wall art available for anyone interested. As for personal care items, I found pear soap, which I use on my eyebrows and found them to be effective for achieving that brown lamination look if you're interested. I also bought a fragrance booster for my laundry in Hawaiian Breeze, which smells amazing. I highly recommend. In the beauty department, I found some Maybelline lipsticks, fragrance rollerballs, red kiss nails, bronzers, and blush, but not too many items there. I did pick up the kiss nails. I picked up the Super Stack chips in sour cream flavor and Junior's coffee, which I highly recommend their cheesecake if you're ever in New York. And if you're looking for some Tupperware, they have a variety of brands and containers with reinforced lids that are great for keeping your food fresh. Although I didn't find anything new in the kitchen section, I did come across some foil background that I'm considering using to change my backsplash. Lastly, I found some essential storage bags like the underbed storage bag in jumbo, which I consider more of a medium, a shoe storage bag, and drawer organizer that really helped me organize my things. So that concludes my Dollar Tree walkthrough. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this video helpful.